Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss group 6 of the sounds, introduction of year sound. यहाँ पर ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अभी हम यहाँ पर य की सिर्फ बिगनिंग साउंड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. य साउंड जो है जब वॉवल फॉर्म में आ जाती है, एंड में आ रही होती है, मिडिल में आ रही होती है, तो उसकी जो साउंड है वो टोटली डिफरेंट होती है. इसको हम यह साउंड की उस पोजीशन को जब ये वॉवल बन जाता है उसको हम अभी यहाँ पर इस लेवल पर डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. एनवायरनमेंट में हम किस तरह से साउंड को तलाश कर सकते हैं, साउंड की लेटर के साथ क्या करस्पॉन्डेंस हैं, स्टोरी, एक्शन, लेटर फॉर्मेशन, साउंडिंग एंड जॉली सॉन्ग. So before starting group 6 we are going to revise group 5 sound z, w, ng, u. ये सारी हमारी ग्रुप 5 की साउंड्स हैं. इनकी रिवीजन के बाद हम आ जाएंगे ग्रुप 6 की साउंड्स के ऊपर. So you can prepare this vocabulary basket at home and in the school as well. You can also bring toys for this purpose. Yoke, yeast, yard scale, yarn, yellow color pencil, yogurt and yo-yo. This is the sound of the day. Let's listen to the sound.
Y. Yogurt. Y.
Okay, so this is the story. Yavar is playing with yo-yo and Yasmin is having yummy yogurt. So let's have a look at these children over here. So you can see that the yo-yo is here and the yogurt is also there. There are some yellow objects. You can talk about those yellow objects with the children. So this is the sound of the day. Year.
Y. Yogurt. Y.
So york, yacht and yo-yo.
Y.
Pretend to eat yogurt from a spoon saying year.
Y. Yogurt. Y.
Okay.
Y.
Now this is the formation. Start from the dot. Come down, go up, again come down and round. This is how it works. यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी इसकी शेप में जो अप एंड डाउन मूवमेंट होती है उसके लिए बच्चों को गाइड करना पड़ता है. अदरवाइज इट्स सिंपल. दे ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डॉट. After introducing the shape and objects, now this is the time when we introduce the letter with the object. So they have to match the picture with the object. Yam and yawn with year. Sounding. Listen carefully. Is there any year sound in the picture, in the word? Where is it? Beginning, middle or end? Yacht, yo-yo, yoke. So all the sound are in the beginning. In the nature you can find the plant, animal and fruits or vegetables. Story time. It's a famous story, Dear Yeti by James Caan. You can search for this one in the web and download for the children. इसकी आपको ऑडियो बुक भी अवेलेबल होगी. In the activity time you can ask the children to have some yoga poses, spin yo-yo and collect yellow objects. In the worksheet time you can get our pack of worksheets for coloring, for tracing and for circling. Group 6 sound. This is the first sound of group 6. We have to circle it. I spy with my little eye things at home. So let's have a look at all those things you can put in the vocabulary basket. You can also play this game of name thing place with the children. Name Yasmin, Yahya, things yolk, yarn, place Yemen, birds and fruits and vegetables. Yahya likes to spin yellow yo-yo. What else? Yeti role play, prepare some yeast collection, watch Yak Yuk. It's available on YouTube. I dare you not to yawn and origami yacht. We can also talk about Islamic New Year calendar, and also Chinese year calendar. This is the vocabulary, and again you can notice that year is only in the beginning. This is the time for the song, jolly song.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yuck.
Okay, at the end, do not forget to taste yellow yogurt.